Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Zeely or Zeely AI. So if you don't know what this does, it is basically an AI that helps you create videos or ads or campaigns for you so that you can sell your product better. So as you can see, let AI create UGC videos, static ads, and high selling campaigns for you. So if you click on get started here, you're actually taken here to the loading part, and you just choose what's the best for you. Just starting, already selling, and for the pricing right here, you get the price for the subscription. So there's 3 tiers. So there's the starter, growth, and plus. Now if you're wondering if this is actually good, the website seems pretty legit. So we head on over to Trustpilot to see the reviews here, and they're actually rated 4.1 out of 5 stars right here. So there are a lot of positive reviews on this one, which is great. So there are over 600 views, so let's read some of them. So right here, I posted my Zeely, made ad on both stories and feed, and adapted well to both formats. I like that Zeely doesn't overstyle. I like that I could test 3 different video durations with one set of photos. I appreciate that Zeely didn't try to force unnecessary animations or gimmicks into the final ad. This one, Zeely actually replied to the complaint right here, so that's a plus from them. Text preview showed the real character. I never recorded any single reel in my life, and I don't plan to. Zeely lets me compete with brands that do, and a lot more. So this brand seems pretty legit. If you want to try and make your own ad or campaigns or reels, you should try out Zeely, since a lot of people are saying that it's really good. So yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.